Alright, the defective crocodiles are not. Sa first map. On the right. You cannot take photos, just don't get too close to the hatchlings because even though they are small, they can jump, they can bite and cut off your fingers. Wala po kami pamalit pag nagkataon. Alright, just like I said earlier, here in the Philippines we only have two kinds of crocodiles. The saltwater crocodiles and freshwater crocodiles. Saltwater crocodiles have black spots, while freshwater crocodiles have black stripes. And then when it comes to their size, freshwater crocodiles can grow maximum of 3 meters only, while saltwater crocodiles can grow maximum of 9 meters. And then on their habitat, freshwater crocodiles live on freshwaters only, while saltwater crocodiles can live both in saltwater and in freshwater. As you can see, hindi ko sila gaano gumagalaw kasi nocturnal animals po yung mga crocodiles. So they're active mostly at night time. And then they can live maximum of 100 years. For the conservation of the freshwater crocodiles. So we have the breeding area up there and the incubation area. So these crocodiles are for exhibit only for the people to see. What are crocodiles? Saltwater crocodiles are, freshwater crocodiles are for conservation. Alright, let's now proceed to the bigger ones.